Hi, I'm Danny Clark with Collectors Firearms, and today we are talking about the HK P8. And I have my HK expert, Nathan, here. So Nathan, tell me about the P8.
So the P8 is a variation of the HK USP that was adopted by the German Bundeswehr military. It is unique from the regular USP because they have inverted safeties. So up is fired, down is safe. And they retain that feature from the P38 when they made the switch. And that's why it's inverted there.
Okay.
They also have traditional rifling instead of polygonal rifling.
So they went from the P38s to the P8?
Correct.
Gotcha. So they wanted what the police were trained on to have the same motions.
That's why they kept the safety that way.
Right. Okay. Interesting. Does it have a decocker?
It does have a decocker. If you go into safe and then go past safe, it will decock
Okay,
the
so
firearm.
just like the USP.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And obviously, they made it for the civilian market as well.
They do in limited quantities. The P8 wasn't really imported into the United States. There's a few batches that were imported, so it's a very limited pistol to get stateside.
Any idea how many they made or imported?
There's a lot of debate on how many have been imported, but I know there's been about 3 or 4 batches that were imported.
Okay. All right. So it is essentially a USB with an inverted safety fire.
Yes, sir.
How cool. All right. Well, thank you for telling me about it.
Of course.